So far, every change that we've made using jQuery has been acted upon by a single click. Now, there's actually a lot of different event handlers that you can use, like click. For example, we could change click to double click. Let's save it and give it a shot. So we'll refresh. So you've got a double click in quick succession. So I'm just clicking once at a time. It's just not quite fast enough. There we go. Double click obviously isn't really a great option. People don't really like having to double click on things. A lot of people on PCs though are quite used to it. So there might be some cases where it makes sense. Another interesting one is mouse down. Keep in mind this is not using camel case. Really have no idea why they kind of pick and choose every once in a while what gets camel case and what doesn't. But mouse down does not get it. So we'll view it. And I'm going to click and hold the mouse down. That's mouse down. You'll notice the click me is still blue because I haven't lifted the mouse up yet. So I'll do that one more time. So I'm clicking the mouse, holding it down. The button's still blue because I'm still holding it down. I can click it rapidly and it'll still function too. It's just waiting for that down click. So another thing I could do is instead of mouse down, I can change it to mouse up and I'll save it, refresh. And now I've clicked. You can tell that I've clicked because the button's blue, but it hasn't slid it up yet because I haven't released the mouse. So mouse up is when you release that mouse click. But it looks like if you wait too long, it actually will not let you do it. So you still have to do this pretty quickly. All right, let's check out mouse enter and mouse leave. So we'll change this to mouse enter. Again, no camel case here. Refresh. That's when the mouse just touches on click me. See how we have toggle on every time I just mouse over click me? It's making these changes. All right, you know what's really cool though? What we can do is change first and second and third here to this. And we'll change this to say div, and we'll save it. And then it's only changing this div. So whichever one that I currently mouse enter will slide up. So that's a good example of how you would use this. So you're saying this div, I wanted to slide toggle. Now we actually could remove all of these other ones too. We don't actually need the slow and the one without the speed. I'll do one at a time here. So I'll just do that red one, do the green one, and then I'll do the blue one as well. And if I try and do the button, nothing's going to happen, right? Nothing's going to slide up because it's on the div only. So another option also is mouse leave. I'll save it, refresh. Then I enter the div. Everything's fine here, but the second I leave, that's when it starts sliding up. Get really close. I'll just get in there and just get out of it, and then it automatically slides up. So that's mouse enter and mouse leave.